Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to display the clock on your Android lock screen. First, open your phone settings application. Then, navigate to the display or lock screen section. Here, you will find options to manage how your screen behaves when locked. Look for features like Always on Display or Screensaver to begin customizing your clock's appearance. It's a straightforward process that allows for a personalized touch to your device. Once you have found the Always on Display settings, you can enable this fantastic feature. You will often find dozens of clock styles and designs to choose from, ranging from digital to analog. You can also set the display to show constantly or schedule it to appear only during specific hours, like from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., saving battery life. If your device supports lock screen widgets, you might find additional clock options there. For even more advanced customization, consider exploring third-party applications available in your App Store. These apps often offer unique clock faces and animations. Remember to grant all necessary permissions to these applications so they can display correctly on your lock screen. If your clock isn't appearing as expected, first check for any pending system updates, as these often fix minor glitches. Also, ensure that battery optimization settings are not preventing the clock from displaying consistently. Sometimes, a simple restart of your device can resolve minor display issues. These steps should help keep your lock screen clock visible and stylish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.